Okay, hi everyone, welcome back to our Better Breads. Today I wanted to share with you really quickly our recipe for our spinach bread. We have our 1 pound of flour here that's sifted, that I pre-sifted. We have 8 ounces of fresh baby organic spinach with a half a cup of coconut milk. We do not use the 3/4 cups as in our previous recipes because when you grind the spinach down, you would see it comes down to, it becomes very liquidy. So with this one, we use a little less coconut milk. All right. We also have our 1 tablespoon of yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of butter. 2 tablespoons of butter. Okay. So now we're going to get started. Add our dry ingredients together. So we're going to add our salt, our sugar, and the yeast. Mix it all together. Make sure it's well mixed. Now we're going to add our oil. All right, so now I'm going to add my butter. And we're going to mix thoroughly. Now I'm going to add the spinach, just enough to bring the dough together. So now at this point, I'm going to take my hands, as we usually do, and bring the dough together even more. And give it a good knead. Sorry about that, that's my doggie in the background. So I'm just going to add a little bit of flour in the bowl just to help it come together. Some more. Fill the bowl, it's nice and clean. And we'll be right back. I'm going to again put this in a bowl greased with olive oil, cover it with cling, and wait till it rises, like double its size. I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back. This is our spinach bread that has risen. I'm just gonna throw it out now and put it in the bread pan. We're gonna fold it and mold it. And punch it down in the bowl. And put it in our bread pan. And that's about it. And we're gonna let that rise, get to double its size again. And when it's done, I'm gonna show you the finished product. So this is our raised spinach bread in the pan, ready to go in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so this is our finished spinach bread. Again, I just put a little bit of butter on the top to make sure it remains soft and moist. And then I'm just gonna cut it so that you can see what it looks like on the inside. So this is our finished product, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you.